right back at it, man. It's Jamel Cooper Refuse in Harlan LLC, man. Today I'm rolling solo, man. I'm gonna let you know that you can make this money with a pickup truck and all by yourself. I'm here pulling up at the job right now. I'm gonna show you what we got, and I'm gonna throw it right up in this truck. We're gonna haul it off to the dump, and we doing it all by myself, man. That's all I'm saying, man. You can make it happen with a pickup truck, and you can do it on a solo mission as well. All right, come on, let's go with it, and let's get this work. Pulling up to the job right now, man. Let's see what we got right here. I'm gonna turn the camera around, see if we can take care of it, y'all. All right. Right now, what we got, little office chair, trash can, probably keep that. You know what I mean? Got an ottoman, aluminum ladder. I'll tell you about that metal, man. Save that metal, but that's aluminum right there. That's that precious metal I'll be talking about. All right, we got some more, what's these? Like some metal suitcases. That's weird. Yeah, but I got another job I gotta do. It's a dryer, so I'm gonna keep that in the truck so I can make some extra cash on that metal. All right, we got dressers broken down. We got a couch, man. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Got the truck right over there. I'm rolling solo, man. We gonna get it up in there, man. All right, stay with me. Here, what we got going on right here. I got two dressers right here. Stood them up. Let me back out a little bit. Stood them up. You see how I'm still not over the top of the boards on my pickup truck? Still got this space right here. So what I'm going to do is put the ottoman right there. The can, or either the trash can or something. I'm basically separating the metal, so it'll be easier for me to offload it when I go to the dump and the scrap yard. So it'll be easy pickings. And like I said, get some extra cash. So I guess I'm gonna go with this couch next. I'm gonna put it up in this here little slot right here. And if anything, I could just throw everything on top of it. Boom, full pickup truckload. I'm still gonna have some space, but you know what I mean. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get back to this work. It's a beautiful day out here. I'm just enjoying myself. All right, let's get it. This is all I got left. This is what the truck looked like. See, I just threw it up in there. I even got the hammer time. We didn't get to use it though. I thought I was gonna have to break something down, but at the end of the day, like I said, stock blocks like Tetris. If you know what you're doing, you can get it in there, right? Still got room to spare, but I was just throwing things in. But I'm about to hurry up and get this work. It was raining yesterday, and these mosquitoes is live today. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, let me hurry up and get this up in here. I'm gonna show you what we got. See how much it was to dump. See how much we get for the metal. And see how much we charge for the low. All right. Easy money. Always check the side, you just never know. I always try to visualize how I load the stuff up before I load it, and hopefully I get it the way I seen it. But it's up in there. Look, I closed the doors. If I had anything else, some small stuff that I'd broken it down, well, I had a lot of room to spare. But it's all good, man. I ain't got no time to waste. I'm just chilling, working a solo mission today. All right, that's Cooper Refuse and Harlan LLC. Off to the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, at the last job of the day, what do you know? Some more scrap metal. Got ourselves a dryer right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this up in the truck. Got the dolly right there. Truck right over there. Yeah, like I said, man, I'm just cooling it today. Taking my time. That's one of the advantages that you have. Being owner of your own business, owner operator, whatever you want to call it. You can take your time, but hurry up at the same time. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, I'm gonna go ahead and get this up in the truck. Go to the scrap yard. I'm gonna let you know how much we made from the scrap metal we got today. I'm gonna let you know how much we charged for both loads that we did today. I'm gonna let you know how much we spent at the dump. If there was a dump fee, let me know in the comments below if you think there was a dump fee. They don't charge you if it's under 500 pounds. So we're gonna go ahead and get this up in the truck. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Got her up in there, dolly back in there. There's some more of the metal we have back there. It's not much, but like I said, I'm gonna let you know when I tell you later on what's that determining factor of separating metals and the junk. But how I got it up in there, I know someone asked me before. Man, come on, look at the tailgate right there. I just tilted it over, got behind it, pushed it up in, and just slid it. Easy money. Let's get this work, man. All right, I'm off to the scrap yard. Let's go. Gentlemen, I was on my way to the scrap yard, received a phone call. I was like, man, I gotta go ahead and take it, man. So this was a last minute call. I'm gonna have to make this one a quickie, man, if you know what I mean, because it's almost 5 o'clock and everything's fitting to close. So I got me some more scrap metal right here. I got some more scrap metal over there. All the rest of the trash, I'll just hold it in the truck because we do residential trash in the morning, so it'll fit right in. So, Jamel Cook Refuse and Hauling LLC. I'm about to hurry up and make this happen. Like I said, we gotta get to the dump. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, the day is complete, man. I do apologize for not getting a lot of the videos from the jobs I was doing. Like I said, man, I was just chilling today. Got a last minute call when we was finishing up, and I had to run after that, man. I was at the scrapyard trying to record everything, man. They hollered at me. They, hey, Coop, man, it's almost 5 o'clock. So, man, I got you at ease, man. But out of respect, you know what I mean? I just threw it all out and got the job done. But let's get back to the totals of the day. All right, first job, full pickup truck load, $275. Got it in, man. Did it all by myself, man. Like I said, you can do it with a pickup truck and you can do it all by yourself. Ask them if they can put it outside. If they can't, you know what I mean, it's all good. But if they can put it outside, it's a plus, man. Just make sure you have a dolly or something with you. So the first load, full pickup truck load, $275. Second load was the dryer. Remember what I said before, man, that's equivalent to 1 cubic yard. So that's our minimum price, $85. We got $275, $85 right there, second job. Third job was a last minute call. I wasn't going to take it, but mama ain't raised no fool. I went and took it because it was right there, and I said this before. I advertised right around the dump in the scrapyard. Everything was about 10 minutes away from where I was at, so I've been a fool if I didn't take that job. So I raced over there. It took me about 5-10 minutes to get there. Banged it out in like 2 minutes. I showed y'all some stuff that was like curbside with the grill and everything. So bang that out, man. That was $130 I charged them. Got all that. Raced over to the scrapyard. Got about, what was it, $21 for the metal, and then $5 for the remember the aluminum ladder. $5 for the aluminum ladder. And the price of metal and everything's going down. That's why I hold precious metals, man. But it's all good. I'll take $26. But this is exactly why I separate my metals from my junk. Earlier, with the first job that I charged $275 for, I went to the dump. Because I separated the metals and I didn't dump it with the trash, there was no dump fee. No dump fee at all. The metal was 320 pounds. So imagine with the junk I had, it was like the couch, the 2 dressers, the miscellaneous stuff. That came up to 380 pounds. The metal was 320 pounds. You add that up, man, I've been paying like 30 some dollars just to dump. Nah, I ain't doing that. I'm going to save that money. That $26 going right into my job. I'm going to see what I got at the end of the year, all scrap metal. You know what I mean? I still got my precious metal. I keep them aside. So at the end of the day, the grand total was $490. That's just with the junk removal. Then you can add the $26. So that's what, $516. Yeah, $516. So we good to go. And I did it all by myself with a pickup truck. Let's get this work, man. If you got a pickup truck, let's get out there and get it, man. Let's get dirty, man. And if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, man. And to everyone that already like and subscribe, man, I really do appreciate you, man. It's coming from here. I'm going to go ahead and get stepping, get up in the crib. We're going to go at it again tomorrow. Tuesday, trash route, no junk removal. Wednesday, book the like a home clean out. It's not like a whole home clean out, but it's about 2 pickup truck loads. So I'm going to use a pickup truck just because it's about 5 minutes away from the dump. One trip. Why use a box truck? You know what I mean? Save some money. Yeah, and then Thursday, we got about like a TV, a big TV, charge them like a half truckload. Then we're gonna keep it moving, man. All right, man. But I'm gonna go in and get up in the crib. To everyone out there still getting it, man, keep doing it. To everyone out there just trying to figure it out, get your hands dirty. Get out there, make mistakes, take chances. Not big chances, not big mistakes, man. Just see how it is, man. Test the waters. You'll start to learn how much things weigh and how much metal and shit is like that, man. But get out there and get it first, man. Don't wait, man. The time is now. Like I said, man, this is Jamel Cooper Refuse and Hauling LLC. I'm going to the crib. I'm out. Until next time.